Welcome back to Heal with Grandma. Today, I'm sharing one of the oldest, safest, and most trusted home remedies for toothache, clove water. If you've ever experienced tooth pain, you know how sharp, uncomfortable, and distracting it can be. Before we begin, take a deep breath and let Grandma show you a simple, natural way to calm that pain. Right at home. For generations, clove has been one of the most powerful natural medicines. It contains a compound called eugenol, a natural pain reliever, and a gentle antibacterial. When used correctly, clove water can help soothe swollen gums, reduce inflammation, and provide fast relief from toothache. Now, let's prepare it. Start with a small pot. Add 1 cup of clean water and drop in 5 to 6 whole cloves. Let the water heat gently on low flame until the color turns slightly brownish and the aroma of cloves fills your kitchen. This is the moment where grandmother remedies truly come alive. Simple ingredients, slow process, and pure healing power. Once the water is ready, strain it into a small cup. Let it cool down a bit, just warm enough to be comfortable. Now, take a small sip of clove water and gently swish it around the painful area. You don't need to swallow it. Just let the warm clove water sit near the tooth that hurts. Hold, swish, and breathe slowly. You'll feel a gentle warmth moving through your gums and relaxing the muscles around your jaw. This warmth helps increase blood flow, reducing the pressure that causes pain, and the natural oils from clove begin their soothing magic. If the toothache is more intense, you can take a clean cotton ball, dip it lightly in clove water, and place it near the painful tooth, not inside the cavity, just on the gum close to the area. Remember, we never apply clove oil directly without mixing, because it's too strong. But clove water, it's safe, gentle, and perfect for home use. Using this remedy to 2-3 times a day can bring relief from toothache, swollen gums, bad breath caused by bacteria, minor oral infections, sensitivity after eating cold or sweet foods. But here's something important. If your toothache continues for more than 2 days, or the pain becomes severe, please visit a dentist. Natural remedies can soothe the pain, but they cannot fix cavities or infections inside the tooth. Grandma's remedies are perfect for temporary relief, calming the nerves, and giving you comfort until you reach professional care. Now, let's talk about prevention. Keeping your mouth clean, gently brushing near your gums, drinking warm water in winter, and avoiding too many sweets can protect your teeth from future pain. And cloves, they're a wonderful spice you can keep in your kitchen forever. Just a few pieces, and you have a powerful natural healer whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and for trusting Heal with Grandma, where simple home remedies bring comfort, warmth, and healing, straight from my home to yours.